I'm fixing to cook some Asian, Cajun, country boy, spicy garlic butter, shrimp, and crabs. So I got me about 2 pounds of crabs and about 2 pounds of shrimp. So it's about 20 shrimp in a pound. They're pretty big. This right here is about 2 pounds of crabs. So that's what we're gonna eat tonight. Me and my wife and my kids, we're just gonna take it easy tonight. So I'm gonna cut up my oranges here. I'm just prepping everything, getting it ready. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up me a lemon. Not too many lemons, one is enough. Okay, I'm gonna get my green onion. I'm gonna go ahead and wash that a little bit. I'm just cutting these up in big chunks. It's more for decoration than anything. It gives it a little flavor. Okay, now we got my onion here. And I love onions. I eat these raw. So I'm just sauteing all of this stuff. So I'm just cut it up. And I'll mix it all up in a skillet here in a minute. Okay, we got our onions. And then I'm gonna mix all this up with my special sauce. It's my secret ingredients here. It's my minced garlic. You got to have your garlic. Garlic good for you anyway. Okay, we got our butter and special sauce sizzling here right now. And I'm gonna take all my ingredients and then I'm gonna dump it in here, mix it all together. Gotta squeeze some of that orange juice. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it to a little ball. As soon as I bring it to a ball, I'm gonna just turn it off and just let it sit there. I'm just sauteing my onions and stuff. I don't want to overcook it. It's just to give it flavor. As you see, it came to a boil, so I'm gonna just take it off and turn it off. And go ahead and throw my crabs and stuff in my water and get it going. It only takes about 5 minutes for the shrimp and crab. Don't take long. You overcook the shrimp and crab, you can't get your meat out of it. So I bring the water to a boil and I'm gonna throw my crabs and my shrimp in. And if you want, you can throw a little seasoning in your water, but with this special sauce that I have, I don't really need to. But I probably throw a little bit in there anyway, give it a little bit more spice. Okay, now I transfer it into my other pot and I'm gonna just put my special sauce on the top and let it sit there for about 10-15 minutes. And let it suck in all the sauces and juices. And again, some more oranges. So after sitting for about 15 minutes, I'm gonna zoom in and just give you a look at it. I didn't make it too spicy today. But my wife, they don't like all that spicy stuff, too spicy. So I kind of trimmed it down a little bit, but this is what I got right here. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.